Okay, so here's this Trane XR heat pump running. I just got it starting up. It is a 4-ton oil for tonne refrigerant from what is it? Shoot. January of 2017. This thing started up right away once I saw the camera, so just like 2 seconds. Already nice and cold, starting to get sweaty. That's where if you want to test the the defrost board in the winter, you can. Just put like I did make a video of how to do that, but I did not upload it. So I was say just take it. Now I'm just start it up. So what you do, just take a super hot sponge. It's kind of funny. Make sure it's like burning hot, and then put it around here, or for like 2 or 3 seconds, it should switch in. So I found that really helpful. 14 seer, and that works for these trains. Can't work for that Veeam. It does not work for those Goodmans. But yeah. There's a reversing valve. So yeah. There's a startup of this 2017 4-ton Trane XR heat pump on an 80-degree day. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.